video shows Ukrainian Dragon drone appearing to destroy a Russian tank with molten thermite. New footage appears to show a Ukrainian drone destroying a Russian tank. Forbes reported that the attack took place near Minkivka in eastern Ukraine. Ukrainian forces seemingly began using thermite drones in September, when multiple videos surfaced online appearing to show drones dispersing the incendiary material, which can melt metal. Using drones to deploy it was a novel and fearsome addition to modern warfare, adding that they could be used to force retreats through fear and fire. The ubiquitous use of drones in the skies above the battlefield are terrifying enough, but those below now have to contend with the quite literal threat of molten metal and fire raining down from above. Throughout Russia's full-scale invasion, Ukraine and Russia have heavily invested in drone technology, revolutionizing the way wars are fought. For outnumbered Ukrainian forces, drones have been one of the key weapons to strike Russian warships, naval bases, oil refineries, and airfields inside occupied territories and deep behind Russia's lines. Ukraine's defense ministry said on Saturday that its forces had taken out 8,916 Russian tanks since the war began in February 2022. Mounting equipment losses will further strain Moscow's soaring defense spending, which has led to rampant inflation in Russia.